From education matters, a three-judge bench has retreated to come up with judgment in a case in which impeached Deputy President Gachagua is challenging the decision taken by Parliament. Now, Justices Eric Ogola, Anthony Mrima and Freda Mugambi are also expected to determine whether to lift conservatory orders to allow Professor Kithure Kindiki to be sworn in as Deputy President. The judges are expected to issue their verdict tomorrow afternoon. Here are some of the closing arguments by the lawyers during the hearing on Tuesday.
This article, which sets out the situation that a deputy president can be removed, protects the deputy president from arbitrary decisions. What has been taken here is an arbitrary decision by Parliament, by the Senate, and that should not be taken by the court at all. Arbitrary decision of the President in the field constitution. If I may pause here, there is a mention of the President. A lot of problems we have had in this country have been caused by the executive, have been caused by the President. We normally have found ourselves in this hostile area because of the acts and behavior of the President.
If at least 2/3 of all members of the Senate vote to uphold any impeachment charge, the President shall cease to hold office. That's the language, shall cease to hold office. As at the day and the time and the minute that Senate voted, the Deputy President ceased to hold office.
Your Ladyship and my Lords, parties were then invited to respond to every allegation. This was a two-tier trial, my Lords. The National Assembly, sitting as the initial chamber that received the impeachment motion, voting in the affirmative for the impeachment motion, no-brainer. The Senate, as a trial chamber, my Lord, Articles 94 and 95, donating powers to Senate and to the National Assembly, respectively. The Senate then proceeded to afford an opportunity. And I want to just demonstrate, my Lord, that Article 1(2) of the Constitution designates Senate as the National Assembly as speaking for the people under Article 1. Because the people may either access their powers directly or through their elected representatives. So my Lord must read the Constitution in the sense that the Constitution then, speaking through the people, Senate was the trial chamber that undertook the trial as by the Constitution contemplated. My Lord, what happened on the 16th was the commencement of the trial. And it's important to respond to this factual question.
Now, firstly, the